Today we are creating a Instagram DP downloader or Instagram profile downloader. For that we are using Visual Studio. Now first of all we create a new project. Now we save this project .py save. This is the name of DP downloader project. Now we are start a terminal and install some library, pip install instaloader. This library is already installed in my computer. Now we are install pip install pillow. This is already installed in my computer. Now again we need one more library which name was pip install future. This is for tkinter. This is already installed on my computer. Now let's go to coding part. Now import instaloader from PIL, import image.TK, image import tkinter as tk from tkinter import messagebox. Now a is equal to tk.Tk. A dot title, this is for title. Instagram profile downloader. A dot geometry 390 into 390. This is for length and breadth. This is the demo for output of this project. Run code. Now you see Instagram profile downloader is the title and 390 is the geometry. Now im is equal to image dot open. We are using Instagram logo. For that we are using image. Here this is the location where my image is Instagram logo is in store. Now we are copy this and paste this here. We are using /i.png. I is my image name, and where one slash is here we are using /. im.resized. This is for resizing image. I mean to say that Instagram logo. Image dot adaptive anti-alias resized is equal to image.TK.PhotoImage. This is for this coding for only open the logo, open logo image. Now title tk.Label a comma text is equal to Instagram image downloader. Now we are right here, font size and which type of our font, like Arial and Times. These are the font type, and the size is 20. Bold. Title.grid. Row is equal to 0. Column is equal to 0. Column span is equal to 5. Padding x is equal to 10. Padding y is equal to 10. Now we are run this code. Here we see some error in 11th line. Here we are write resized. Now we are change resize. Instead of resized, here we are using resize. This is an error. Now again run. See some error in title grid. Here I am not using n. Column n here, right? And run again. This is the title in Instagram image downloader. Now we are creating a logo. Image tk.Label a comma image resized. Image grid row is equal to 2. Column is equal to 0. Column span is equal to 5, and padding y is equal to 20. Now run this code again, and now we are here seeing our logo. Let's move further. Now we are creating enter user. Username is equal to tk.Label a text is equal to enter username. Font is equal to Arial. We are using here Arial. Font type and size 10 is good. Username dot grid and row is equal to row is equal to 1. Column is equal to 0. Run this code and now check this. It's working fine. Here U is capital. Now and entry tk dot entry a column width is equal to width is I think 40 is good, and entry.grid .grid row is equal to 3, column is equal to 1, and column span is equal to 5, and run this code, check it, it's working fine. Now we are creating download button. Let's see, here is a download button. Now we are creating download button. For button, btn is equal to tk dot button and a comma text is equal to do download download, and command is command means here which command are execute, and now we are creating function name image download. This is a function name load. Now btn.grid.grid and row is equal to 3, column row is equal to 4, column is equal to 1, and column span is equal to span is equal to 5, padding y is equal to 10. Now we are define the image download function. We all know how to define image download, how to define any function, and now we are write here code. I is equal to instaloader, instaloader.Instaloader profile is equal to entry.get and i.download profile pic. I think profile searching here and there. Profile profile pic only. Is equal to true. Now we are creating message box after downloading this file, messagebox.show information, status, column, image download successfully, FULLY. Now let's check this code, and this is full code. Run this code. Now go to browser and open your Instagram ID. I am already open my ID. Here we search Rishabh Pant, RISH, Rishabh Pant, Rishabh Pant for downloading the profile image. Now copy the Rishabh Pant username, copy this and paste here and click download button. Now waiting some second. Let's image download successfully. Now we are searching image in our PC. Here Himanshu Sharma, I'm using multiple user, that's why we are searching Himanshu Sharma. And now searching Rishabh Pant. Hey, there. Click. Let's check. This is a Rishabh Pant profile picture. Same. Thank you for coming here. Let's meet in another video, another interesting video. Thank you so much.